He's feeling pretty tired. We're all a bit broken. Oh. Hey. Now, mate, what has happened?
In the rush to finish the room, my ankle leaned to the side.
You've torn your ligaments.
I think so, yes.
Very painful.
Very painful.
You'll be right. Good evening, everybody. Welcome to HQ. As usual, you all delivered up rooms to a very high standard today. The question is, can Jimmy and Tam do it again? They've won everything, even a bonus point.
Yep.
Can anybody stop the roll that you guys are on?
Yep.
I love that. Back yourself. Let's see if anyone can beat them with some feedback, shall we?
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it.
Here we go. Harry and Tash.
The week that was. Master bedroom and walk-in robe.
Did the public holiday stifle the start of our father-daughter team?
We're behind.
We're very behind.
There's a lot to do.
There's a lot to do.
And there's an echo. Straight away, you took the help of the High Pages lever, right?
Yeah, we'll pull it. We'll not pull the lever. Later on. Pull it, don't pull it.
No lever pulling this week.
Pull it.
So now this is the biggest master bedroom and walk-in robe on the block?
I won't be doing monkey bars up the ceiling, it's too high.
Did you nail the right wallpaper?
No peacocks in this house.
At least you got it done in time. Oh, no, that's right.
Scotty, turn back time.
You turn back time.
Gave us an extra hour.
Good luck, guys. You left nothing in the tank in trying to win this week.
Never gonna get anywhere if I don't go. Never gonna find love if I don't show up.
This week, for a master bedroom, Scotty gave us $19,000.
It's so beautiful, it's big, it's open, it's
It's a
comfortable.
master. It's got everything you need.
This is...
Wow.
Half the time I'm wading water, and the other half I'm in the sky. 'Cause it's a rise and the fall that means that I'm still trying.
Absolutely beautiful.
Yeah.
Yep.
Darren immediately felt the impact of the size of the room that you delivered today.
I've had apartments smaller than this. These vaulted ceilings, that pitched roof, gives you this opportunity for this grandeur and this grace.
I mean, 4 Velux skylights and a big-ass fan, that's a pretty good place to start.
Looking at your mirrored television, Shana remarked that she isn't really a fan of TVs in a bedroom.
But when it looks like this,
Yeah.
I have no problem. And I love the finish here, like a really old-fashioned picture frame.
In fact, she thinks that this room does everything the buyer would want.
They've got that nod to the period right in this room, and I feel like the modern elements is not clashing with it. But you know what? The carpet. Remember last time I said it looked like it was from an office block?
It feels quite luxurious now, doesn't it?
It would feel beautiful underfoot.
I'm sure you're waiting on the judge's verdict of your wallpaper.
Yeah, we are.
You worried?
A little nervous.
They loved it.
I absolutely love that wallpaper. I think it's gorgeous. But the fact is they weren't thinking, oh my God, there's a bare wall, we've got to put some artwork on it. I applaud them for that because it doesn't need it. This is where all the action is. I'm really proud of them for not trying to fill that space because I think it really works. It brings all the attention to the parts that need to be taken in.
Darren felt that the execution of your painting is quite stunning.
To get it done to this standard with so much space to complete, it's phenomenal.
Yeah.
Phenomenal effort.
Thank you.
Big step up from the beach box, Harry.
Huge. Huge. And the paint job was perfect. I didn't think of that at 5 o'clock in the morning.
It's got enough luxury and grandeur about it to satisfy a contemporary buyer. But it ticks the boxes in a very subtle way for the era. I mean, when you look at the colour palette, when you look at the picture rail, when you look at the shape of the window, there are enough period references here. It doesn't tip over into being sort of slavish or kitsch. It still feels contemporary and appropriate.
Overall, the judges felt that you had done a great job of the bedroom.
So we should go have a look in the walk-in robe because it looks huge and hopefully it's just as glamorous as here.
Oh, this is pretty glamorous too, isn't it?
Oh, it is so glamorous.
I'm so fancy. Can't you taste this gold? Remember my name. Hope to blow.
Yep, it's pretty damn glamorous.
It's grand.
It is grand, isn't
It's
it?
really grand, stately.
And call me old-fashioned, but
You're old-fashioned.
I love a wardrobe with a door. I'm so glad they've gone with this beautiful profile.
But then Shayna noticed a problem with the layout.
OK, we've got a long hang here
Okay.
and a panel that opens to give you greater access.
Can you walk in there and reach that hanger for me?
I can tell I'm not going to be able to because the thing is they've put this shelf here.
Yeah, I don't want you
I can't.
getting on a ledge there.
No, there's no way I could
That's
reach
too
that.
high, yeah?
Absolutely.
The design of the hanging space in the corner isn't very functional. Great internal fittings, but it could have been laid out better for some more hanging space.
It's a triumph of form over function, actually.
Yeah.
It's my fault. I designed the wardrobe at Kinsman and I was like, why did I not put that little bit more storage in that one spot?
We'll fix it.
Also, what happened to the wardrobe on the right?
I'm gonna guess. I reckon someone climbed up there to paint,
Yeah.
put their foot down and just went bam and knocked the top of that out.
Was that you?
That was me. Don't tell James.
How many more holes are you going to fall into? Who's James?
Safety officer.
Oh, he's not going to be happy with you.
Overall, though, a very good room.
This is a really high place to start. Very luxurious master bedroom and wardrobe.
Well done, that's it.
Thank you.
I'm proud of us. I'm obsessed with this room. It is beautiful. It feels like us.
Oh, it's lovely. Love it.
Yeah.